In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add custom code, like CSS, into your Webflow project using the built-in code block, starting right from a simple Google search. First, open your browser and search for Webflow on Google. This is a quick, reliable way to land on the official site without typing a full URL. Click the official Webflow result to head over and sign in if you're prompted. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're editing the right project. From your Webflow dashboard, locate the project you want to update and click View Site. This takes you into the project so you can work on the page where you'd like the custom code to live. If you have multiple pages, navigate to the specific one you plan to style, so your changes end up in the right place. Once you're in the designer, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. You'll find it in the main toolbar. The Add panel lets you drop elements onto the canvas, and it also includes the code block we'll use for custom code. In the Add panel's search field, type code block. This narrows the list so you can quickly find the embed element designed for custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Searching saves time and ensures you grab the correct component, especially if you're new to the interface. Click the code block result, then place it exactly where you want it on the page. As soon as you drop it on the canvas, a code editor will open. Paste your code into this editor. If you're adding custom CSS, a best practice is to wrap it in style tags so the browser knows to treat it as styling. For example, place your rules between opening and closing style tags. Keep your selectors specific to avoid conflicts, and target classes that already exist in your Webflow elements for clean, predictable results. It's also a good idea to keep your snippet focused and organized with brief comments so you can understand it later at a glance. When you're happy with the code you've pasted, click Save and Close. That applies your changes to the page. Remember, a code block affects the page and position where you place it, which is great for targeted tweaks. If you ever need styles that apply across your entire site, you'd typically centralize them. But for page-level control, this method is perfect. That's it. You've searched for Webflow, opened your project, inserted a code block, pasted your custom code, and saved it. Clean, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy building.